This will be a quick video to show how you can apply a custom edge light setup to your ESK8. In this case, I'm using my Mini 2S since it has a decent edge wall to work with. Most of the parts I'm using can be bought on Amazon or local hardware stores. I will try to put links for everything in the description below. Starting off with the light strip, I will be using this ice blue 5V COB LED strip, which is advertised as waterproof and uses a USB connector for power. The power source will be this 5000 mAh power bank. It's using a USB-A connector for power output and a USB-C for charging. I'm going with a cylindrical shape because I can easily zip tie mount it to the side of the enclosure here. To ensure the zip ties have a good grip to the power bank, I'm going to stick on this Velcro adhesive patch. For zip ties, I'm using these ones with holes in them for screw mounting. Since these are going to raise the screws, I need to use a slightly longer one, so I obtained a 5mm longer one for the zip ties. Tightening it down, I am making sure the ports are facing towards the rear. With just these two zip ties, the power bank feels very secure. Now let's apply the strip to the edge. We'll start here on the rear pad rather than the rear of the deck since it takes a lot of abuse. Maybe I don't need to do this, but I want minimal contact made to the strip. For applying the strip, I'm going to use super glue. There is an adhesive for the strip, but I'm not convinced it will stick due to the rounded edge of the board. So we'll go carefully around the edge of the deck, trying to keep it on the lower side of the edge. And here at the end, I'm trimming the strip at the cut point. So now we have to deal with the USB cable. I have these zip tie mounting points to keep the wire properly tucked, and I only need 2 for my situation. I'm also going to use this wire to the motor as a tie point too. There's a little slack left for plugging and unplugging it into the power bank. Here's, I think, where you could get a little more creative by adding in a power switch. At this point, this is basic installation. There's definitely extra steps I could take to make it more waterproof, and I probably will in the future. Water will get right into those USB ports, so it's something to think about. So now let's take a look at the final result. I'm actually very pleased with how this turned out, especially considering this is a very cheap and easy solution for adding in deck edge lights. As you can see, it's extremely bright and probably lasts around 2 or 3 hours on the battery. Everything seems to be holding in place so far, but I'm unsure if the strip will hold on forever. Let me know what you guys think and if you would do things differently. Thanks again for watching.